Hello student, welcome to the online tutorial session. Today we will learn about the laws of Boolean algebra. So first law says that commutative law. Okay, in Boolean addition is commutative. So it's given by, you can write down, you can say that a plus b is equals to b plus a. It means that in what order you are adding the item together, it does not matter. Okay, according to this law, the order of OR operation conducted on the variables make no difference. So Boolean algebra is also commutative over multiplication by giving by a dot b is equals to b dot a. This means that the order of AND operation conducted on the variable makes no difference. So how we can prove that? We can prove that using the truth table. Okay, so here we are taking two Boolean variables, that is a and b. So how many inputs we will get? So it is depend upon the number of Boolean variable we are using. So it is 2 to the power n. Okay, n means is equals to number of variables. So here number of variable equals to 2. Okay, so 2 to the power n, it means here it is 2. So how many input must be possible? 4 inputs. See, 4 inputs I am giving over here. See, in case of A we have 4 set of inputs, in case of B also 4 set of inputs. How we can write down 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now if you add A with B, what result we are getting? That is 0, 1, 1, 1. And if you add B with A, then also we are getting the same result, that is 0, 1, 1, 1. Now check for the multiplication. That is, in case of multiplication, if you are doing A into B, then we are getting the result 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And here B into A, we are getting the same result, 0, 0, 0, 1. So same thing. Okay. Next, going forward to the second law, that is associative law. Okay. So associative law of addition is given by a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. The OR operation of several variables result in the same, regardless of the grouping of the variables. The associative law of multiplication is given by a dot b dot c is equals to a dot b into c. So according to this law, it makes no difference in what order the variables are grouped during the AND operation of the several variables. Okay, so let me first check that one. If you are trying to add b plus c, then with a or b plus a plus c, the same result we are getting over here. See, that is 0, 0 or 7 times 1, and here with a plus b plus c also we are getting the same result. In case of multiplication, if you are checking ab into c, giving 7 times 0 and 1 times 1. Okay, this one 7 times 0, then 1 times 1. And in case of a into bc, the same result we are getting. Okay. Now, third rule is called the distributive law. So, the Boolean addition and distributed over the Boolean multiplication is given by a plus bc. Okay, a plus bc, this is this law, this one, a plus bc, a plus bc is equals to a plus b into a plus c. So how we can prove that? We can take the help of this table also, or we can do this using Boolean's rule also. We can prove that. How? I am writing a plus bc. Okay. So a means 1 into a. We can write that. Okay. So now I am taking a into a means a. So now I am, instead of 1, I am writing over here 1 plus b. Okay, plus bc. So what we can take common? So it becomes a plus AB plus BC. Okay. Now, if you instead we can write down A into 1 plus AB plus BC. Okay. Now I'm carrying forward over here. So in case of this one, we can write A 1 plus C plus AC plus, sorry, it is AB plus BC. Okay. Now second step we can write in the same way, A into A plus AC plus AB plus BC. Okay. Now whole part I am writing over here. This 4 at a time, that is. Okay. A into A plus AC plus BC plus AB. So if you take common from this to A, then what is left? A plus C. And from here, if you take from this to, if you take common B, then what is left? A plus C. Okay. So now A plus C I am taking as common, and it is A plus B. Okay. So in this way also we can prove the rule also, or we can take the help of this truth table. Okay, with the help of truth table also, the one time I am explaining. Okay, so first I am getting the value of A plus C. Now with the A plus C value, I have added B value. Okay, with A plus C value I have added B value. So we are getting B into A plus C. Now individually we have finded AB value and AC value. And now we have, if add this two, when we can get this value. So compare this with this, we are getting the same result. In this way, in the tabular format we can do, or you can else using the formula we can complete. Okay. Next one is the called absorption law. Okay. Absorption law is saying that A plus AB is equals to A. How we can? From A, if you take common, then what is less? 1 plus B. Okay, A into 1 plus B means 1. So it is 1. Proved. A plus B, A plus AB is equals to 1. We have proved. Another absorption law is there, that is saying A plus A bar B equals to AB. Another one is saying A plus A bar B is equals to A plus B. Okay. So how we can prove that? If you apply the distributive property over here in this part, so we can differentiate it in this way: A plus A bar into A plus B. So A plus A bar means what? 1 into A plus B. It means A plus B. In this simple way we can prove that. Okay, this is a two-way, in a simple way, or you can use this formula, that is I have mentioned over here also. In this way also you can prove that. Thank you, student. I am ending my lecture over here.